Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make potato cutlets. For this recipe you would need 6 to 8 medium-sized boiled potatoes coarsely mashed, half a cup of finely chopped cilantro, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, optional but 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1½ teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 egg, and oil to fry. In the bowl of potatoes, add chopped cilantro, green chilies, spices, mix well with hands. Take a small amount of potatoes and make patties. In the beaten egg, dip the cutlets and then fry them on both sides until golden brown. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.